time. Listen, I'm gonna get real close. Listen. If I purchase the fucking game, if the product is in my, all the information should be on the fucking disc. Period. I should have to plug it into my fucking system and it instantly works. Or else, why would I even have a console? Why would I just fucking download it? Dude, what a waste. You're wasting my fucking time. You hear me? You know what time is for me? Money. Time is money. I could be in the fucking gym right now getting fucking massive. And here I am, fucking pending install. I'm done with your shit!
Fuck's sake! Fuck! I'm stunned. Fucking degenerates, man. I'm playing with. Like, I'm losing my mind playing with.
Like, I will never understand game companies that have their resolution defaulted at 800, 600. I don't play on my fucking phone! Dude, I can't fucking deal with this right now, dude. Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh my fucking god, I can't deal with this trash.
PVC.
Okay.
I need a keyboard now.
Oh, 99! Are you serious? Why do I not have a knockdown shit?
Oh, damn it!
Fucking what?
What the fuck just happened?
I don't play games good when I'm annoyed. It doesn't matter what game I'm on. It doesn't matter if I'm Challenger. I'm not going to play good when I'm annoyed. It gets to my head. It makes me lightheaded. I'm fucking lightheaded right now because this guy's AFK. Why are you AFK? Why is he AFK? Why is he AFK? Why is he AFK? Why is he AFK? I don't want to fucking play this game anymore.
Stop! Stop!
Don't make her to go the dentist.
I said not to donate, retard!
Bro, there's aimbot. There is aim.
Holy shit. Yeah.